Last weekend, my family and I went to a local festival in our town. It was an annual event that we had never attended before. We were all excited to see what it was like. The festival was held in the town park. There were many colorful stalls selling food, drinks, and handmade crafts. We could hear music playing and see people dancing. The atmosphere was lively and fun. One of the first things we did was try some of the food. There were so many different types to choose from. We had some delicious tacos and freshly made lemonade. It tasted amazing. After eating, we walked around to look at the stalls. There were many beautiful handmade crafts for sale. My sister bought a handmade bracelet, and I bought a painted mug. We also watched a dance performance on the main stage. The dancers wore bright costumes and moved to the music in a way that was fascinating to watch. It was very entertaining. Before we left, we played some games at a stall and won a small prize. It was a perfect end to a great day. We all agreed that we would definitely go to the festival again next year.
What types of stalls were at the festival? What did the family do after eating? How did the family feel about the festival at the end of the day?